Introducing the 2021 Atlanta Radio and Records Awards and ZBT Best Female Vocalist of the Year. 2024 Atlanta Radio Records Awards honoree, recipient of the proclamation from the City of Houston, national, international recording artist, actress, singer, songwriter, the Lady Songbird Agenda.
World. My name is the Lady Songbird Agenda Harris. I am originally from Springfield, Ohio. I have been singing from the ripe age of 7, obtaining a full 4-year scholarship for music and vocal technique to Morris Brown College. I have been singing all my life. I come from a very musical family. My cousin is Cindy Blackman Santana, that is the lead drummer for Lenny Kravitz, as well has been recently inducted in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame and married to Carlos Santana. My uncle is Aaron Blackman, which it was the composer for the late Luther Vandross, as well as the lead guitarist for the late Zapp, Roger Troutman and Zapp. I have been singing behind some of the greats, one of which Mr. Ollie Woodson of the Temptations, and I have opened up for some of the amazing artists such as Tank, Genuine, Ohio Players Can Function, and the list goes on.
You could be my, you can be my queen. I'll be okay. All you gotta do is wait for me. I'll give you some deep down, you know you wanna move on. Your soul just keeps on saying stop it.
I am an international national recording artist, and I travel abroad all over. I have a live band, and I do sing with track show, and I'm willing to travel anywhere.
Left, right, left. Don't make me party by myself. We about to turn it up for real. I'm stepping in my high heels.
My music is available on all digital outlets, Spotify, iTunes, you name it. My social media is the Lady Songbird Agenda on Instagram, also the Lady Songbird Agenda on Facebook, Snapchat, the Lady Songbird Agenda, as well as TikTok. You can reach me if you'd like to book me at the manager's information, which is Howard Harris, and that is Mr. Songbird, and his number is 254-624-3713. And I will travel anywhere, all over the world.